Hello everyone, this is a 2008 Toyota Sienna. It has a problem with the remote start. So I'll show you. This is what the remote starts. It is Compostar. Let me put the flashlight on. That's the model number 700R. Combo start. So the key was not working at all, and even nothing, like all those bottom not working, and I made it work. Let me start from the beginning. First you need to reset this remote start. I took everything out here. As you see, there's a lot of wiring. Everything is really, somebody did this but it's like a huge mess, you know, pretty much all around. Anyway, so first, to reset the remote, you need to insert the key just like that. Turn it on, off, on, take the key out. See, put it on, turn it on, take it out, on. You do this 5 times within 7 seconds. 5 times within, put it on, turn it all the way, 1, 2, off, 1, 2, off, 5 times within 7 seconds. Once you do this with the keys on at the 5 times, the 5th times within 7 seconds, like that, do not start. You hear a clicking, like clicking sound. Okay, when you hear the clicking sound, immediately press lock. Press the lock for 5 seconds. Press and hold for 5 seconds. Then this you will see it will lock the van. Okay, and now with the keys on and everything, press this unlock. If it doesn't work, you need to repeat the same steps again, like same thing. Put it on, turn it on, off, within 7 seconds 5 times. At the last time, same thing, keep it on. 5th times, keep it on, and then press unlock. So now if you lock and unlock both working, this will work. Now once both are lock and unlock working, remove the key and then press the start button, start, and then the car will start. So this is how you reset this.